Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add welcome skin to your Wix website. It's a simple thing to do. For this, first open a browser and go to wix.com. Then log into your account. Then select the site where you want to add your welcome screen. Then from here, select design site. Then it will open your dashboard. To add your welcome screen, go to mobile version from here. After opening the mobile version, now here you will see a bunch of options. From here, select mobile tools. Now from here you see an option welcome screen. Just click on it, and here you can add your logo. Here if you select image, you can upload an image from your device. Just select upload media and upload. You can upload from computer. After selecting files, select add to page. Now you can also add an animation. If you select bouncing, it will be like this. You can select spinning, then you can change background color. Then what you have, then you can select a direction and then select done, and that's it. That's how you can add a welcome screen to your Wix website.